Forget everything you know about Windows PCs. Microsoft just dropped a bombshell, and it's not just about hardware. It's about AI changing the game entirely.
Introducing the first ever Copilot Plus PCs from Surface. The all-new Surface Laptop and Surface Pro. They have been designed and engineered to be the ultimate Copilot Plus PCs, and these are the most powerful laptop and Pro we have ever built.
The AI revolution. These aren't your grandma's PCs. They're infused with Microsoft Copilot, an AI sidekick that's like having a genius intern. It writes, edits, summarizes, even helps you in Minecraft. This is GPT-4 level stuff, integrated right into Windows. Power and speed redefined. These Copilot Plus PCs are powerhouses. They're not just fast, they're smarter fast. New chips, specialized AI processors, they even beat out some MacBooks in benchmarks.
In addition to this performance, Surface Laptop has the battery life you need, and this is the longest battery life on any Surface PC. And it's more efficient than ever too, achieving peak performance with about half the battery drain. To prove it to you, we did a web browsing rundown of the new 15-inch Surface Laptop side by side with the Surface Laptop 5 and the latest MacBook Air. Now, of course, this is sped way up, but with the exact same web content, the new Surface Laptop in the middle just keeps on going.
These Copilot Plus PCs are absolute powerhouses. We're not talking about your average speed boost here. These machines are engineered for raw power, supercharged by the Snapdragon X Elite and Plus processors.
NPUs specialize in the matrix math needed for AI, and the NPUs on Copilot Plus PCs are the most powerful in the PC category. Capable of over 40 trillion operations per second, this is a step change in AI performance, allowing AI that is lightning fast and always working, even with multiple AI workloads running concurrently. Not only that, these NPUs barely sip a few watts of power, even when fully utilized. We have brought that same focus on efficiency to every part of the Copilot Plus PCs. We were relentless in finding ways to reduce power consumption system-wide. The result is unprecedented battery life with all of your AI. Today, we're debuting Copilot Plus PCs on the ARM architecture with the Snapdragon X series. And we were excited to partner with Qualcomm to design this entirely new chip together. And we rebuilt Windows 11 from the inside out for ARM. As a result, Copilot Plus PCs on Snapdragon X will deliver up to 15 hours of web browsing and up to 22 hours of local video playback. That is 20% more than the latest MacBook Air 15-inch. In fact, that's right. In fact, Copilot Plus PCs outperformed the MacBook Air 15-inch by up to 23% on peak performance, and more importantly, up to 58% on sustained multi-threaded throughput performance.
Think of it like this. These PCs have a brain specifically dedicated to AI. It's called an NPU, a neural processing unit, and it's like having a turbocharged Copilot in your computer. It handles AI tasks like a champ, freeing up your main processor to focus on everything else. The result? Copilot Plus PCs can chew through AI workloads like image editing, video processing, and even real-time language translation, all without breaking a sweat. And in benchmarks, they're leaving some MacBooks in the dust. So whether you're a creative pro, a data scientist, or just someone who wants the most cutting-edge tech, these PCs are built to handle whatever you throw at them.
Great things now when you have Copilot in Windows is that I can now use two windows and I can literally drag and drop something from one window to the other, like in this case with the Northern Lights, and I'm able to ask it, hey, tell me about this phenomena that happened in Seattle last weekend.
Battery that goes the distance. Sick of your laptop dying on you before lunch? Microsoft is throwing down the gauntlet with their Copilot Plus PCs, boasting a jaw-dropping 22 hours of battery life on some models. Let me repeat that, 22 hours. That's not just all-day power, that's all day, all night, Netflix binge-watching, cross-country flight, and still have juice left kind of power. No more scrambling for outlets or lugging around a charger. Your workday, your creative flow, your gaming session, it all just keeps going. Imagine the freedom of a laptop that can truly keep up with your nonstop life. That's the promise of these new Surface machines. Surface Laptop and Pro Reimagined. Okay, let's talk about those looks. The Surface Laptop and Pro got a serious glow up. They're sleeker, they're thinner, and damn, that new Surface Pro OLED screen? Pure eye candy. We're talking deep blacks, vibrant colors, and detail that pops right off the screen. It's like your favorite movie just got remastered in 4K. But don't be fooled, this isn't just about aesthetics. These machines are built for work and play. The laptop's keyboard is a dream to type on, the Pro's hinge is infinitely adjustable for whatever your workflow demands, and those cameras? They're not messing around. Whether it's Zoom calls or capturing content, you'll look and sound your best. And for you artists, designers, and engineers out there, the Surface Pen is more responsive than ever. The haptic feedback gives you a natural feel as you sketch, write, or annotate. It's like having a pen and paper, but with the power of a full-blown creative studio at your fingertips.
It's going to be easier than ever to call on Copilot with just a tap on your keyboard or on the center of your Windows taskbar. As you see here, we're simplifying the experience. We're making it more personal. We're making it faster to get to what you want. We're also going to make it a flexible app experience, so you can resize it, you can snap it, or you can even maximize it and run it in full screen. Simply shared his screen with Copilot while he was playing Minecraft. Now what you're going to see here is two voices. The first will be Ryan, the second will be Copilot. And he's going to be having a natural conversation like he would with a friend while he plays. Let's watch this experience.
Hey Copilot, how's it going?
Hey, I'm doing great, and it looks like you're about to dive into some Minecraft. Ready to build, explore, and maybe dodge a few mobs?
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out how to make a sword. My son plays this game all the time, and I have no idea what I'm doing.
No worries. I'm here to help you impress your son. I see you've got a crafting table in front of you, which is a great start. To craft a sword, you'll need some materials. Can you open your inventory? Just press E on your keyboard.
Yeah, do I have what I need?
Let's see. You've got some sticks, perfect for the sword's handle, but it looks like you're missing the material for the blade. You can use wood, stone, iron, gold, or diamond.
But is it perfect? Now, let's not get ahead of ourselves. There are still some questions hanging in the air. First off, these Copilot Plus PCs are definitely a premium experience, so expect a premium price tag. If you're on a budget, this might not be the upgrade for you. Secondly, like any bleeding-edge tech, there might be a few hiccups along the way. Early adopters, you're the brave ones, and you might encounter a few bugs or glitches as Microsoft fine-tunes this whole AI integration thing. And let's be real, Copilot is still learning. It's incredibly powerful, but it's not perfect. There might be times when it misunderstands your request or doesn't quite hit the mark. So, are these potential downsides deal breakers? That's for you to decide. Weigh the pros and cons, do your research, and figure out if the Copilot Plus experience is worth the investment.
For example, here, when you go into Windows settings and you need to configure your PC, with one click, Copilot will help you. Or you can get things done in fewer steps when you go to File Explorer. For example, you can quickly get a photo and you can edit it without having to open an app. Or even what's great, one of my favorites, within notifications itself. So when you're on your Windows desktop and you get a notification, you can now simply click on that notification, and Copilot, for example, in this case, will answer that question to reply to an email with the right PowerPoint just with a click. And we're really excited to bring the latest technology from our partners at OpenAI to Copilot.
So, is this the PC of the future? They will be available June 18th. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Are you as hyped as I am?
The 2-in-1 keyboard, now designed to be used both attached and detached. So you can position your Pro and keyboard where they suit you. It's a more comfortable setup, built with additional layers of carbon fiber for more stability on your lap. It can adapt with you wherever you need to stay productive, like on a plane or in a lecture hall. It's backlit and it flexes to meet your unique needs, whatever those mean.